Hello everyone, how you all doing? In this video we are going to talk about the iOS 15.6 beta 2. I have installed this update on my iPhone 12 and in this video I'm going to show you guys how has this update been performing on my iPhone 12 and is it worth installing this update on your device. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hyped. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button for more videos like these. I keep on making these type of videos for you guys and I would really appreciate if you guys can hit that subscribe button as we are really close to 10k and I would love to get to 10k as soon as we can. I will be coming up with a lot of iOS 16 content too, so you have to turn on the bell. Now that you've done that, let's get right into today's video and talk about what's new in this update and is it worth installing it on your device. So iOS 15.6 beta 2 came at around 5 GB on my iPhone 12. The reason is because I was not coming from a previous beta, I was coming from iOS 15.5 public release. That was the reason that it was so huge. It may vary on your device considering from which update and from which device you are updating, so that is not an issue. Though after updating my device to this firmware, I did notice some changes. Number one change was that I got around 600 MBs back. It is not a big difference. Mine is a 64 GB iPhone, so 600 MB is still not a big difference for a 64 GB iPhone, but it still may vary on devices with more storage. You may get more storage after installing this, or you may also just lose some storage. So it is completely normal. Don't worry. If you are low on storage, I would still not recommend installing a beta on your device, and in general a beta on a primary device is not the best idea. Now talking about other changes, after installing this update, in Apple Wallets app you can now send and request money. I cannot really showcase this to you guys right now because where am I right now? I am in India and an Apple Wallet is it just does not work here, so I'm so sorry I can't really show you guys. But if Apple Wallet is in your country, you guys can now send and request money. The button is there. And now the other thing is Apple Podcast. There is a new setting which you can use in order to limit the podcast stored on your iPhone. It is a really handy feature and really neat feature, a really small one but a neat feature, neat addition to the podcast app, and I really love it because it is just good and it just works as Apple says. Then there is other bug fix which is in home automation. In home automation it was getting triggered and the triggering of home automation was just getting failed by people and a lot of people reported it on the previous beta. Home automation was not working properly and it is now fixed in this update. Talking about the performance seems to be pretty much the same as the previous beta. How am I? First of all, let me clear it. How am I getting this information? I have a friend who was using iPhone 12 on previous iOS 15.6 beta 1. He gave me all this information and thanks to him, I am reporting to you guys. Don't worry, I am also on the beta bandwagon again. I'm so sorry for taking a break. I am back on the bandwagon. Don't worry, there is a lot of videos of iOS 16 and a lot of stuff coming on really soon. That's why I'm saying click that subscribe button right now if you haven't already. There is not a lot to talk about in this update right now, but that doesn't mean that there is not a lot to talk about in iOS in general. There is a lot of things. Trust me, iOS 16 is right around the corner. The day I'm recording this is June 2nd and 6th. Next week, Monday, WWDC is on Monday and I'm so excited for WWDC. I know you guys are excited too, so hit that subscribe button right now if you haven't already. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I am Tech Hyped aka Jay signing off. Peace out.